bophethe hardcore straight.
You know, so
Hardcore
what
abuse.
makes this thing yokuthi abantu they always go ibe yiphethini kubona, find it as a norm ukuthi even if uye wasuka from one abuser to another, what makes that? Because kunomunye umntwana enye bengike ngahlala emaflatini kaPule block 7 kunomntwana wayehlala next door lapho, so because abazali babo bashona, so I took her under my wing. And then now it's so sad umbona nomntwana esasemncane. And what I loved about her mostly was this thing yokuthi mangimthengela ama-pets, she wanna do something for me. She was like, I'm not gonna take them unless uvuma ukuthi ngizokugezela izitsha type of thing. And I allowed her to do that so that she can understand ukuthi sometimes you need to earn things because of you did something. And then now sekakhulile sekazonomntwana manje, but listening to her to saying to me na Hassan Shapi shem ke bona go ran rat.
Yeah.
And then wamuva kuleyo relationship, and she's on another relationship where she would call me in the middle of the night indoda yamshaya. And then uzibuza ukuthi, but didn't you get ukuthi lo qala nalo abahlukile mhlambe awutholanga ama signs?
Uyagula lo muntu. Uyagula, like honestly uyagula lo muntu. Ne like ngicela ngikhumbuze ukuthi sizokhuluma ngokugula ne.
Yes.
I-pattern ye-abuse ayiqali ku the abuser. You understand? The pattern ye-abuse in most cases iqala endlini. Umntwana ukhula ebona umama nobaba belwa. You understand? Umntwana uyakhala, uyakhuza. Leyo nto leyo it does something engqondweni yomntwana. You understand? Ikhona something ishiftayo. You understand? To the limit ukuthi lo mntwana lo, this thing like unconsciously it builds something kuye. You understand? Uya accepta but engekho aware ukuthi uyi acceptile. Lo mntwana automatically sekayagula. You understand? Which is why in most cases abantwana abakhulele ngaphansi kwabazali aba-abusive or abazali abalwayo, abazali abakhulumayo abathethayo, in most cases they always find abafana banjalo. But you marry your father. It's always the case. You understand? So wena mozongena kuma relationship you'll always ufune ubaba wakho. Umuntu osoft ozokhuluma nawe maybe unokubazwa amantombazana amanye
usuba weak ma.
Mina ngisho ngithi yazi labantwana they are not aware ukuthi bayagula, yabo. Uze umuntu azokutshela ukuthi hayi lo usoft mina uyangibhora. Usoft why? We understand. Khona baby ngicela siphume siye kuphi. Khona Zamulo Tlhapare yakhe. There's a difference. Ngiyakucela. I need your permission. Ngiyak respect. There's hambe yogeza sambe. Ngiyak command. There's no respect. We understand. So they want that. Then more uyiloyo nto leyo windoda.
Kusuba weak ma uyindoda kushiwo.
Yeah, wena windoda wena. Yindoda lo, you understand. And then mina the soft guy lawyer.
So
you understand? Yes.
Yeah.
And then Tina say blame yena. But it's not yena. This thing iqalele emuva. Yabana bakungathiwa asikhulumeni ngecounseling bafethu. A lot of people ekasi they need a lot of people ekasi we need counseling.
Do you think it's
because
necessary
of
for people to go to counseling?
Kakhulu singathatha for granted, but it's very 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 necessary. You understand? So le pattern le ayiqalanga kwi boyfriend. This thing in most cases abanye ba influence wabangani, but in most cases iqale endlini. And then lengani le psychologically ayisekho right. Finding ubaba wakhe uhappy. Mina I see something wrong ngendlela khuluma naye ngakhona. Yena kaboni into wrong. Ugayi umshanga impama yokuqala. Uyakhala, uyakhumbula ukuthi okay, my mother or my sister endured such. Oh, okay, it means it's okay. Umfana yafika baby ngicela ungixolele I didn't mean uyangana because of I vele qale ngempama. Iqala ngenkulumo. Then khona amaphushnyana umuntu akubambe or akuphushe, uyangiunderstand, uyangiprovoke, it boils, and then ulobu uyamvumelela ukuthi aqhubekeke ngalento le, and then it leads to impama. Okay, I got away ngempama. Okay, next time impama eziyi2 nesicathulo, uyangiunderstand. And in most cases I'm telling you this ne ihambiselana ne rape because of after ekushayile ufuna ukulala nawe whether uyafuna or awufuni. So accept a psychological whatever, you understand? 2, uvumelene physical whatever. 3, uvumela sexual whatever, you understand? And when you are not aware, egameni lokuthi uguy uyangithanda.
I like what you're saying. I like what you're saying because I remember this friend of mine at angijwayelo lo. Yazi nje ngivele ngibona umuntu mangiphaphama sekaphezulu kwami uthi ngimtshelile ngathi ikuphe ake khani kinyethi wena mara kupa. Do you think consent it's very important whether you married or not to someone funeka uyicela?
Mfethu everything it starts yazi even namanzi you cannot just say mkhatha kanhlele methi no you need to know ukuthi this is my equal. Okay, singangalingani according to the way kudaleke ngakhona, you understand? We are not equal, but omunye nomunye une responsibility yakhe. Lo muntu lo equal yam through in and throughout. I make an example. uNkulunkulu makadala Eve, he never took a part enyaweni or a part ekhanda. No, he took the side, and then he said, this is the flesh of your flesh and the bone of your bone. You understand? I will call her a woman because of she was taken from a man. So if she is the flesh of my flesh and the bone of my bone, why must I hate the bone of my bone? Why must I hate the flesh of my flesh? It means angimthandi. It means I don't love myself.
Then it means that it's not your soulmate.
Especially if sishadile. Yeah. No, I made that choice. I made that decision. I don't believe go soulmates. I believe we work things. Sinenkinga, we work it. Uthando mfethu lu complex ne. Siyathandana today kusasa sithandana. Liphelele kuphi we don't know. So kumele senze sihlukane. No, I believe we come back, we work. Kuzoba nzima, yes, but it has to. You make man. Yazi abantu abadala abahleli tens of decades baze bayofa. Bazokutshela ukuthi it wasn't easy. You understand that we worked.
But now, when you're speaking about that, there's this thing yokuthi abazali bethu, they want us to relate to their era. And we evolve with time, isn't it? That's that which I want to believe. Back then they didn't have platforms about you go and talk to people about your problems. I mean, kunabo anonymous, don't where you just go and voice out if you don't want people to know isn't ozako.
Yeah.
Do you believe even the era esiguyo my internet, it does play a role of wanting to compare what you have with other people? What do you have? Gune say, Eti, the love I have for you today, it's not today, but yesterday's.
Yeah.
And I believe that the very same word, that's the word that kills us because of most of abantu aba-abuse wayo. Ukhumbula ukuthi yo masiqala ukuhlangana wayengithanda kanjani. Wayenza 1 2 3. Angithi the love I have for you today, it's not today's, but yesterday. So simply means that you're still trapped in the good person.
Ukuthi maybe lo yamuntu uzobuya ethi ngibekezele.
Yes, uzoshintsha, you know. But now we fail to understand ukuthi, this is what I always say. We get into these relationships, you automatically navigate people how you want them to love you, how they should treat you, how should they do things around you, how should they show their love language around you. But don't you think that's not an authentic thing? Because I'll be telling you how I want you to touch me. I'm not giving you a chance to show when Uti, this is who you are, this is how you do things. And then if I'm Vumelani, Nalo, because now if I'm going to navigate you, eventually you're not going to be consistent with that. You will trip and then you go back to you and then we're saying it's Shinjil.
Yeah. Yeah, I think authenticity mfethu it's best. Umuntu akakwazi for wena zisasuka. You understand? Umuntu akakwazi for wena zisasuka. Yazi this thing iqala kanjani? Angithi masiqala and then nami ngiyazama ukuthi ngikimpress in a way, but nami that person akusiyimi. The true me will come along and now uzobona ukuthi okay, lo muntu lona kancane bits and pieces uyaziveza, understand? Then you uthatha decision yakho from lapho. But when it comes to era yabazali bethu, mfethu mina ngakutshela okay the way mina ngibona ngakhona and according to the way bengiloko ngenza research ngakhona ngizilungiselela ukuzala mfethu iera yabazali bethu it was the worst of the worst yabona le era le yamanje especially ku the feminine side i powerful kakhulu to the limit ukuthi you can even pose a question ukuthi but wena ukuze kanjani ukuthi uvumelele umuntu ukuthi aze afikelele la efikelele khona ngalama resources asinawo khona manje no somehow you can even want to blame or you can even have a feeling of blame uyanderstand i era yabazali bethu mfethu they were controlled i abuse it's not just ukulwa ukushayana ngesikhathi sabazali bethu abo baba abaningi bebesebenza most of abo baba bebesebenza and then abo mama bebe rely kubo bekangahlalanga ngokuyafuna bekehleli ngokuthi ngizwe yapi abanye bebephuma bazele emakitchen beyozama but majority abazali bethu bengasebenzi
and amadoda besho ukuthi uyapi sofuna uyokufeba ngoba ngikubeke like wena umsebenzi wakho ugada umuzi muzi kababa
and they endured leyo abuse nabo bebagula mfethu bebengekho awe ukuthi abuse either way izinto bezingakhona but you see if ngikunika amandla khona manje you take the power mina I'll be nothing go you understand if mina or when you give me amandla wakho when you'll be nothing game it's always the same abazali bethu bebengenamandla bebe supportiwa ngabo baba bethu that's why umuntu bekwazi ukukhipha igama lokuthi yimi ngithenga ukudla la
ngikuthume toilet
uyanderstand
akutshela ukuthi mina engikuthumayo
umuntu azokutshela ukuthi udla mina ugeza mina ugqoka mina ugibela mina uyanderstand ithini kuwe it is telling you automatically ukuthi I am nothing without this person uyanderstand psychologically yazi ingqondo yenye into